makes the business more cost effective and efficient, and it widens what you offer basically. I think it's about, as I say, being part of this whole. If we get information on the app that there's an event on at the castle, that is going to possibly impact on our business. So that's going to bring people into the town. It can make a difference to us as to whether or not we decide to open the cafe in the evenings to capture some extra clientele. It will impact on what we actually offer in the cafe, and therefore if we've got a specific, say a ticketed event, then yes, it definitely impacts on our purchasing and what type of food we're actually going to offer as well. What the app does for us is makes a difference in that it's all in one place. Obviously you can go and have a little chat to another business and you can find out what they're doing. You could look on social media as well, and it sounds as if you're being a little bit nosy, but actually what you're doing is trying to be part of this cohesive offer of Cardigan Town. So no, the app has made a huge difference to us.